Hello everyone, welcome back. Now that we got idea of what cloud computing is, let's understand what Amazon gives us. AWS is a cloud platform that provides a wide range of services to help your business and the developers build, deploy and manage applications in the cloud. Let's get started with the various services AWS offers and some of its important tools. First, let's talk about compute service. AWS offers several compute services to run your applications and the workloads. Amazon ECS and Amazon EKS are managed container services that allows you to run, scale containerized applications using Docker and Kubernetes respectively. Next up is Amazon Lambda. It's a serverless computing service that lets you run the code without provisioning or managing the servers. The most popular one is Amazon EC2, which provides a scalable virtual services. Next, we have storage services. Amazon EBS or Elastic Block Store provides persistent block storage for EC2 instances. Amazon EFS provides a simple, scalable, elastic file storage system that can be used with AWS cloud services and on-premise resources. Amazon Glacier is a low-cost archival storage service for data that is infrequently accessed but needs long-term retention. The most popular one is Amazon S3, which is a simple storage service. It is a scalable object storage service used for storing and retrieving any amount of data. Moving on to the database services, AWS offers several managed database services. Amazon Aurora is a MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible relational database that combines the performance and availability of high-end commercial databases with the simplicity and cost effective of open source databases. Next is Amazon Redshift. It's a fully managed data warehouse service that allows you to run complex queries against petabytes of structured data, which is a huge data. Amazon RDS or relational database makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud. Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service. Next it is a networking services. Networking services are essential for creating a secure, reliable network architecture in the cloud. First is Amazon Route 53. It's a scalable domain name system web service that helps route end users to internet applications by translating domain names into IP address. Next is Amazon VPC or Private Cloud. Allows you to provision a logically isolated section of the Amazon cloud where you can launch AWS resources. AWS Direct Connect lets you establish a dedicated network connection from your on-premises to AWS. Security and identity services. It's a critical for protecting your data and applications. First is AWS IAM, which is Identity and Access Management. It enables you to manage access to AWS services and resources securely. AWS Shield provides protection against DDoS attacks, helping to safeguard your applications. AWS KMS, that is Key Management Service, is a managed service that makes it easy to create and control the encryption keys used to encrypt your data. Next up is a management services, which helps you to manage and monitor your AWS service. AWS offers several management tools. One of them is AWS CloudWatch. It's a monitoring service for collecting, tracking metrics, and collecting the log files and also setting alerts. AWS Config provides detailed inventory of your AWS resources and their current configuration, enabling you to track changes and ensure compliance. Next up is AWS Cloud Formation, enables you to model and set up your AWS resources using infrastructure as a code, IAC. In summary, AWS offers a wide range of services to support virtually any cloud workload, including compute, storage, database, networks, security, and management tools. Understanding these services will help you leverage the full potential of AWS for your projects. Not only the mentioned services, there are much more in the upcoming videos. We will look into AWS architecture related white papers, key concepts required to understand the services, and other tools which supports end-to-end pipelines. Along with this, we would also look into some demos of each service practically. Until then, bye and thank you.